Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix iOS 26 if it is not installing on your iPhone, and two different things you might not have thought of that might be hanging it up. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks guys. Now, the first thing you can do is head into the settings app of your iPhone. And within the settings app, tap on the general option here towards the bottom, and then software update. Now, if it basically says it's updating, or it's going really slowly, or it's failed, or can't find an update, the first thing I would recommend doing is checking to see if your iPhone is compatible. You can see this is the long list of iPhones that are compatible, but if, for instance, you have an iPhone X or earlier one, you can't update, it's not available to you. However, let's say that you are good with that and essentially it is compatible with your phone. Let's go back into the settings here. And let's go back out of here and you can see iPhone storage. Just tap on that to get an idea of how much free space is on your phone. If there's hardly any free space on your phone, that could be the culprit. You need basically 15 gigabytes worth of storage on your iPhone to be able to download that to your phone. So if you don't have a bunch of space, I would recommend just going to some big apps here, hitting the delete button, and then you can always reinstall them after you've updated. That's your first option. However, if that doesn't work, the next thing we're going to do is check your internet. So swipe down from the top right. Keep in mind, it needs to download, say, 15 gigabytes worth of data to update this. So I would recommend toggling airplane mode on to disconnect from Wi-Fi or cell data, and then toggling it back off to just reconnect to everything. Now, if all of these don't work, you can abort it and essentially try again. So from the settings here, let's go back to the beginning. You're going to tap on General towards the bottom. And now from here, just tap on iPhone storage. While you're going through the process of updating to iOS 26, you'll be able to see, same as an app on here, will be iOS 26. So just scroll through here and find it. Of course, I've updated already, so it's not showing up for me. But let's say this is iOS 26. You just tap on it and hit delete that file. And then you can go back to software update and swipe down from here and try again to reinstall it. Now, if you go through these steps and it still doesn't work, I would recommend restarting your phone. So tap the volume up, volume down, and the side button and press and hold it until you see the Apple logo appear. Essentially, this does a forced restart. And after you've done that forced restart, go back into your settings here, back into the software update. You can swipe down and go through the process of updating it, and it should work perfectly at that point. If this helps, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions.